Hare Krishna, welcome back everyone. Um, First of all, thank you so much for all the reviews regarding the first video. I hope that helps all of you. If you have any kind of specific requirement, just let me know. I'll make a video on that also. Today I'm going to talk about group 1 plan. This is also a 40-day plan. Why 40-day? It's because I am planning that before exams we do a 40-day and a half, that is 20-day revision, and we are still left with at least 10 days before the exams, and we are done with one time writing practice as well. Yeah, I'll be doing that one time writing practice with all of you, those who will be interested definitely. So I'll move forward. What is the plan for first group? As I said, in group 2 we'll be doing in 4 segments, like 10, 10, 10 and 10 days. So for first group, here is the division. Actually, before beginning, I'll like to say one thing. Maybe most of you know about this thing, but still I'm going to add it, that whenever you are studying group 1, don't take these 3 subjects as single subjects, like CRVI is a different subject or DD as a different subject. Just treat them as a single subject, all 3: ACLP, DD, CRVI, because somewhere these subjects connect each other, and if you study them with connectivity, then you'll be more in a position to understand things in a better way and connect things, and you'll find that your syllabus has somewhat concised because of this kind of study. I'll try to help you as much as possible, but still, if I am lacking somewhere, let me know. I'll definitely try my best to give you extra if I can add from my side. Okay, let's proceed. So the first 10 days target, for ACLP we will be doing power of board and key managerial personally. This is from section 173 to section 205. I'll suggest that along with this, go through due diligence chapter 1. Okay, then we'll do chapter 3 and 4 of due diligence. 3 is regarding due diligence overview, and 4th is ICDR. And in CRVI we'll be doing valuation. This will be the 10 days target. And any specific subject you need any kind of video, just let me know about that, but please make sure you inform me at least 3 to 4 days before. So this is 10 days target. As I told you over in second group, that make a target of 7 plus 3. Don't do this mistake over here. This ACLP, DD, CRVI, this is something that requires more revisions. You can't do like you have picked the subject on the first day and for last 10 days you are not doing it. You have to do it again and again and again. I'm going to share this 1247 strategy with you people in my next video, which you are going to use for group 1 specifically. Okay, moving to the next 10 days slot, we'll be doing dividend, accounts, audit and directors, that is section 123 to section 172. Along with this, from DD we will be doing chapter 9 and chapter 5. Chapter 5 is regarding depositories, and chapter 9 is on due diligence for banks. On my best knowledge, I have tried to divide the subjects accordingly. So if you are getting any kind of problem, do let me know. For CRVI, in the second 10 day slot, I have kept takeover, demerger, post merger and chapter 1, because we are having 10 days. See, if you are doing takeover for 4 days, this is more than enough. If you are devoting 1.5 hour each day, and takeover will be done, I think it won't need that much time as well, so it's manageable. Okay, for the third third 10-day slot, ACLP, I have kept deposit, charges, registers in general meeting. That is, it starts with section 73 to it goes to section 122. Along with that, DD, you'll be doing chapter 10 and chapter 7. Chapter 7 is regarding competition law, due diligence, and chapter 10 is regarding environmental due diligence. And in CRBI, you need to do compromise and arrangement thing. Along with do one thing while doing compromise and arrangement of CRBI, do it together with due diligence ka chapter 6. Due diligence chapter 6 is about merger and amalgamation. Once you are done with this topic, just go through due diligence module and just check it if you have skipped any topic from that or not. Okay, this is the slot for next 10 days. And fourth slot will be doing incorporation, memorandum, share capital and debenture. That is from section 3 to section 72. In after you are done with all this, go through chapter 2 of due diligence, that is checklist. All the checklists are covered over there. And once you're done with that, you'll find that DD chapter 2 is not difficult. It's just the correlation of entire ACLP. Okay, then in DD we'll be doing in fourth slot we'll be doing chapter 12 and chapter 8. Chapter 12 is regarding compliance management and chapter 8 is regarding legal due diligence. Okay, for CRBI we will be doing insolvency. One more thing I'll add over here is, if you are not good in making summary notes is something which should be 1/4 of your entire module. If you think in the name of summary notes you are writing more and more content, don't go for summary notes. Better refer someone's notes which are concise. Don't do it, because right now you don't have too much of time to do that. Try this routine and let me know if this helps you or not. And if you have any kind of suggestions as in what should be the next video topic, please leave a comment or let me know, and join the group and channel for notes and further discussion on any particular topic. And one more thing is that the tomorrow's video topic is time management. For those who are planning for both the groups, that is group 1, group 2, the topics will be the same which I shared for group 1 and group 2, but just how you need to allocate time to each and every subject, that I will be trying to discuss over that video. So I hope that helps you. Thank you everyone. Just let me know how you feel so that I can improve and deliver you a better content, and we all clear the exams. Please spread this with your friends so that those who are in need of this kind of guidance, or who need people to study together, they also get some benefit out of it. Thank you so much.